back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442. Of course, you know these cars are their off-brand GM vehicles, just a little under the Chevelles, Buicks, and etc. Of course, we have a poor driver coming in front of us. My sincere apologies. Of course, though, this is a very nice car, not just because it's not a Supreme, but it is an actual coupe edition. As you do, they made sport coupes just like this one. We're going into it now featuring a Cortez silver exterior. As you do know, as you can see, it has a black vinyl top, having the appropriate spoiler in the back. Other than that, it does have the fiberglass hood as appropriate with the hood pins. Two stripes going out the front hood, and then the stripe going down the side. Of course, you can see one of the differences between the 70 to 72 is the taillights. 71 went straight down, 70 was the one that went down. Then 71 went to a parallel line, and then 72 went to the checkered board. Other than that, it has the appropriate Cutlass wheels on it. Definitely a nice one other than those plain old Torques. Moving on to the interior now, featuring an automatic on the floor. Of course, you can see it does have the dual gauge shifter and appropriate console. We have the Cutlass Sport wheel. We have the stock cluster, and if you can also see right here, they have the appropriate tachometer clock, which is very nice. Most of the time they left them plain or just had a clock, and they would put an aftermarket Sun Pro tack in it. Other than that, you got a 2-knob radio with cassette. You have the factory AC, of course, all the vents line up. Nice twin bucket seats with the appropriate leather, and of course your fine door panels with the comfortable armrest. Other than that, it does have the W30 edition. Only under 100 of them were made, or should I say less than 100 and I believe 10, due to sincere emission problems. But other than that, it is a very nice one, built with the 455, although it does have the 442 emblems. It is the best motor you can get with this kind of car. One of the coolest things about it was the intervals. As you can see, they are also orange. Also having the appropriate Oldsmobile valve covers and stock manifolds. This car is definitely a dream. Of course, right now we're going about 55 in the 45. Don't tell my boss that, he might fire me, but it is a comfortable ride. As for now, though, we're just going to get it safely turned around and up on the lift, so just stay tuned with us and take a look at the underneath.